and good evening. I hope your English learning journey with us here at Clap and Go is going really well. Why don't you do one thing? Why don't you tell us in the comments below what other topics you would like us to cover, and on your demand and request, we would absolutely love to clear those concepts for you. And today, as per your demand and request, we are going to talk about the difference between the verbs said and told. Now, first things first. The verb said is the past tense of the verb say, and the verb told is the past tense of the verb tell. I hope that should clear a little bit of your confusion in this respect. And if not, then hang in there. I'm going to tell you a few other rules which will help you understand when to use the word said and when to use the word told. Now, if you refer to the Oxford English Dictionary, the physical edition is what I'm talking about. Yes, exactly the same one that we used to use in another bygone era, and the same dictionary that we used to carry to school as well. If you open that and look for the meaning of the word say, you will find that it is described as this: utter words to communicate something. Similarly, if you go through the dictionary and look for the meaning of the verb tell, this is what you will find. It is defined as communicate information to. And that is exactly the main difference between the words say and tell. Now, you use the word say in a situation where the focus is more on the words being said. For example, my friend asked me if I would meet him in the evening today, and I said yes. If you focus carefully, said is used before my response, which was yes. Which means that here we are focusing more on the response yes rather than any other thing in the entire sentence. I hope that makes it a little bit clearer, and if not, let me give you another example. I asked my mother if I could go out in the evening today, and she said no. Well, yes, she did refuse me, but I hope you get the point here, that the response is the focus point here. You are focusing on the response no instead of any other thing in the sentence, and hence you are using the word say. I hope that makes your concept of the usage of the verb say very clear in this manner. Similarly, let me talk to you about the meaning and usage of the word tell. Now, the dictionary meaning defines it as communicate information to. Similarly, when you use the word tell in a sentence, the focus is on the information being communicated rather than the words being used. Now, I'm sure that you must have been a part of various interviews, job interviews or otherwise in your life, and you must have come across this very common interview question: please tell me something about yourself. If you notice carefully, the interviewer asks you to tell something about yourself and not say something about yourself, which means that their entire focus is on the information that you are giving them rather than the words you are choosing to speak. Now, I am sure that that makes it very, very easy and simple for you. And if you're with me, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our other social media pages. And we will see you next time with part 2 of the video. Yes, you guessed it right. There are certain other rules for the usage of the words say and tell, which I will tell you in the next video. Stay tuned.